Hi guys. So last time we learned about the column and column UDA and grid system and whatever the black area is there, model view. So we have already learned about all the things. So today we'll discuss about the beam, poly beam, curved beam, twins profile like that. We'll explain all the things. So first I will explain beam. If you want to create beam, so you need to go, I think you need to prefer a plan view for now. If you are beginner person, then you need to follow only plan view. So control P for plan, and I already informed to you that control P for switching plan to 3D and 3D to plan 3D to 2D. Okay, so you can say toggle from 3D to 2D. Okay, so beam, select the beam and click one click one point and click second point. It will be created. See, it will be created, but this one is created in the base. uh, Basically we need that at any elevation. It means at 3 foot, 5 foot, 10 foot like that. So we are not using at that zero level. We are not using generally because we are using in zero level, maybe footing, maybe some CMU wall, maybe some concrete wall, most probability like that only. So I am going to move this one, all this all things I am going to move to some elevation, so that it will be better feel for all the person. Okay, and for the future, so we can use that all beam in for the shop drawing and for the whatever the model we are going to explain. So I would like to move here. Okay, for now here. Okay, so okay, beam. I have just discussed about the beam, how we are going to keep this one, how we are going to create this one. So first click on beam, and second, first pick the first point, second pick the second point, and it will be automatically created. But why I am going to create from this side to this side? This is the main thing. So it will be described by in the lesson when we are going to learn steel detailing. It will be included how we are going to erect, how we are going to fabricate, all the things I will discuss in that lecture. So till now, please make a patience, so that we'll discuss in deeply in that particular topic. So leave for now, but for now I just want to recommend that you need to follow from left to right, because of the we are using in US, in UK we are using third angle projection. So it will be better to use this one. It means left to right. Okay, and if you are going to create from this way, so you need to create from down to up. Okay, like that. So it will be better for you. You will understand when will create when we will create the shop drawing, and we will discuss about the concept behind that shop drawing and erection. So when we will discuss that one, so at the time you will be understand about that, why I am telling that about that direction of the creation of beam. Okay, for now please follow the same what I am telling to you. After that, after 2 3 models, you can do whatever you want. After you aware about the concept behind the soft drawing and behind the erection. Okay, so you can see here there is 2 point. You can see here there is a 2 point. One point color is yellow, second point color is magenta. So this is the indication of a starting point, this is indication of ending point, whether this one is beam, whether this one is column, whether this one is in all the things, whatever is in the steel tab, or all the things, it's indicating a start point and it's indicating end point. Okay, so let's discuss about that all the properties inside that beam. See this one name, you already know how to change. What is the what will be the name here. Sometimes you need to check according to your fabricator, sometimes according to your client, depending upon the project whatever you want, the client want. So you need to change according to that one. Profile you need to change according to a structure engineer, and from there you can change whatever you need profile. Okay, after that material, material according to the this beam, it will be automatically it will become most of the probability this one will be remain same. But if you, the uh, structure engineer already told that no, this one no need, this one he needs some another grade, so you can change from there. Okay, whatever grade will be, so you can select from there. After that, finish also you can you will get in the structure drafting page. It means from a structure you will get the finishes also, or you can find from fabricator also. Next one, class you can leave that one, or you can whatever you want you can select from there whatever you want. Okay, but generally we are giving three for beam, and 7 for column, like that. But depends upon your detailing ideas, whatever you are following, you can follow. After that, part numbering and assembly number is fully depend on the project, and whatever the project having the part prefix and assembly prefix, you need to keep it here. And starting number also you need to keep here. It maybe it will be 1001, maybe it will be 1001, maybe it will be b1, like that. So depends upon what is the project requirement, so you can put here. After that, this is the main important things you need to learn in the beam creation. Okay, so you can see there is a position, three position on plane, at depth, and rotation, all things is there. So I have already advise to you that you need to start from left to right and bottom to top. Okay, first point this one, second point it means last point this one. Okay, first point it means how do you know about the first point. It will be always yellow color. Okay, so start you can see here also. Here it's indicating like a start and yellow color, and in pink color, so you can see here. But for now here, what we are following here now in US detailing or third angle projection, we are giving middle, top, behind. Or and if you want some offset from that center, you can move from there. See here to, I can move from there. We can move behind also. If you will go the in the 3D view, you will get, oh sorry, 3D view, you can move here also. This one, see, this point already moved by this beam, already moved by down. If you will move minus, it will be go up. So you can customize from there whatever you want. And this one is top. If you will, if you will change this one, it will be very difficult. Please do not change this one. Always keep top, middle, top, behind for the beam. If you need anything assistance in future, I will explain. But for now, this should be actually for a beginners. As a beginners, you need to keep like that only, middle, top, behind. It will be better for you and for your shop drawings. If you will understand all the concept behind the shop fabrication, so you can play with these options. So do not worry about that. You will be understand after the 2 3 modeling and detailing. After the fabrication process, you know about that. After that, you can play with that options, you can play. But for now, I recommend that please do not change this one, middle, top, behind. It will be maybe you can say for now it's a standard. Okay, for now. But in future you can change, no problem. And whatever is option is there, you can you know about that. And how to control this one, I already explained in the column section. Okay, after that, what is that, starting point and ending point. From a starting point, C, Control P, I'm going to make a 2D plan. Select this one, and this one is a starting point, this one is end point. If I want to move this one from starting point, so see, this will already moved, this profile already moved, but point will be the remain same. Okay, from there if you um, this one, if I need to keep this value in minus, I will keep minus C. From that portion it's coming back. So this profile you can control from there, starting and ending point. Similarly for Z1, Z, and similarly Y and Z. Okay, so we do not need to keep this one, so leave for now. Okay, and it will be same as column, and shortening also same, camber also same. I will explain camber in separate view, in separate lecture. Okay, and gauge material, if there is a gauge material you can select from there, and all the things after that. So you can see all the things, if you will open this one, this will all the things similar to the column whatever we already discussed. So no need to explain again and again for the same things. Okay, if you need any thing from there, you can ask by the group or by the comment. Okay, by the group communication and by the comment. So this will be the same for the all things, all members, column beam, poly beam, co beam. So uh, no need to explain each and in each and every section. Okay, so if you want, then you can go the previous class, and you can see all the things whatever is there, I already explained. Okay, so this is the beam, you can say, and how to create the beam, you I hope you already understand. So after that beam, poly beam is there. So why we are using poly beam instead of beam, I will explain this one also. So first click poly beam, and after that you can say 3, 4.5 point whatever you need, you can give in poly beam. See, from first point, after that second point, after that third point, after that 4 point, sorry, 4 point, and middle mouse. See, first point, oh, see, first point and second point, third point, fourth point. My first point always in yellow line, and other all in pink line. It's in the poly beam. Okay, so why we are giving this one, we can give this beam as from here to here like that. What I can say, what I want to say here from, and please follow my mouse, whatever I am doing here, this in this option, please follow this mouse instruction also, because I will not explain each and every times what I am going to select this. Okay, what from that row. Okay, so from now, for now, I will select this one, and this one already selected, this one I will select. Okay, snap to any position. So just I want to explain one concept from there. See, I have created this one. Okay, sorry, I have created this one, I have created this one here, I have created from there to there. Okay, see, so what I want to talk, I want to explain to you that, see, this one is a poly beam and this one is a beam. I can we can create like that with beam also. Okay, so why we are not creating this one by the single beam instead of poly beam? So this is why this one why we are going to use this one. So see, there is a two beam, and we need to keep here some connection. We need to keep here some connection. Two connection is the will be there if we will not use the poly beam. Correct, first one. Second one, if you will use this beam, it will be difficult to manage your time. in the modeling, it means you need to spend here one for this connection and here for this connection, so it will be so lost your time in the modeling. Okay, and second one, designing also required. Okay, and third one, here also space also required. If any stiffener, additional stiffener, any end plate connection is there, so it will be maybe it will be more than that flange, so it will be difficult to manage if there is a minor space. So that we are recommending this one. And why this one recommending? Because the fabricator, if sometimes we are using this single beam instead of this poly boom, and sometimes we are using poly boom because of third one you can consider third one point, because of the fabricator also. The some of the fabricator doesn't have the machine to bend like that, so he will recommend the connection always. If someone having this machine to bend this beam, so he will recommend that go for that bend. So I need to check with the fabricator. After that we'll recommend for that one. And also we need to analyze that both will be in the same or both will be the difference or load wise. Okay, so that's the matter behind that. So we are considering poly or poly beam, or we are considering either we are considering beam. It means final decision is depends upon the structure and fabricator. A structure by the load and the fabricator by the this procedure to bend the profile. This type of profile the fabricator can bend or not. So we need to discuss, or we need to know about that. After that we will go for that one. Okay, this is the concept behind that. After that, if you need if this is the simple one. Okay, if you need let's say let's take an example here. Maybe I will take here example. See, this one is you can consider this one is an example. See, if you will take a single beam. Okay, single beam like that, single beam like that, single, so you need to take so you need to take another this elbow again. If you have the bending machine, so you can create that shape from the single profile, you can see here. And if you do not have, so you need to weld that one. You need to weld four places, and you need to cut three different profile. So this will be better for the fabricator. It will be a low cost as compared to that one, you can say. And if fabricator have that machine, if doesn't have, then he need to ship that pipe to the bending machine where is available, or the shipping charges will be more, so that he will recommend this one. So this is the reason behind that we are going to give the poly beam instead of beam. In the model, I am talking about in the model, not in some another way. Okay, because if you will create, once you create this one, you cannot from the beam profile, you cannot make like this without poly beam. So that you need to decide previously what you are going to do. Okay, after that curved beam is there. The creation of curved beam, you need to know about the 3 point where we are going to place. So for creation this one, click first point, click second point, and click third point. So according to that point, it will be automatic create the radius, and it will be automatic create that on that radius it will be created that profile. Okay, so and twins profile. After that, you can see here all the things will be same, so do not need to explain each and everything for the all the things. I already explained that all the things in the column section and beam section, so leave it. And after that, twins profile. Okay, one thing I forgot to explain. If you want to open this this one setting in one click. So you need to press shift key, and after that click twins profile. It will be automatically this open that properties panel, okay, inside pan. So if you need to create this one twins profile, so again I will recommend from bottom to top, okay. It whatever is here, you can see that profile, it will be automatically created, and be in between the profile there is a gap. Okay, so you can see here there is a gap, control P for the plan. See, there is a gap between two profiles, so 3 by 8 is there. So where you can find this one, this value you can find here. You can find this one is the value is there. Horizontal value 3 by 8, 3 by 8 is there. If you do not need 3 by 8, you can press 0. You can create this profile again, and you can see here there is no gap between that both profile, okay. And if you want this one as a vertical, you can change from there, and you can change from there also. The vertical distance may be 5 mm, so, sorry, 5 inch. So you can see here the vertical, you can see here vertical profile. Between the vertical profile there is a gap between both profile is 5 mm. So you can measure from there, okay, from here to here 5 mm is there, okay. So from this way you can control, and other option also is there. See, lot of options is there. Whatever your you need that orientation, you can change from there, okay. And all things will be same as the whatever we discussed in the beam, and only this one option and this one option is different in that particular profile, okay. So after that I have orthogonal beam. So how to create orthogonal beam? Orthogonal beam is same as whatever we did the column. Orthogonal beam is same as. So if you need to create here, so you can create this only single click. Only single click you need to, you can create from the orthogonal beam. It will be name as beam. So, and but all the things will be same as the column. After that, a spiral beam and control plate. See, there is a five type of control plane and a spiral beam. Okay, so I hope you already know about the beam profile, beam, polybeam, curved beam, twins profile, and orthogonal profile. How to create all the things. So we'll discuss later in next upcoming videos, upcoming classes. We'll discuss spiral beam, control plate, bolt, weld, all the things we'll discuss. Okay, and keep practicing and keep learning. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask. Either you can ask in the WhatsApp group, or either you can ask by the comments. Okay, and see you in next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.